Hi, everybody. This is Jeremy. Okay, today we're going to do another case study. We're going to be looking at risk attributed to sellers. Yes, even when you sell these securities, you have risk. So let's say that I'm a financial advisor and I have 20,000 shares of SPY that I'd like to sell. And what I want to do is I want to look at my risk today. The total aggregate shares that I have that I own for my clients is $20,000. So I'm looking to sell this 20,000 shares of SPY. Here is the risk dashboard. This tells you everything that you need to know about the risk in SPY at this time. Okay, the first thing I want to look at is the excess tax paid by sellers. Is this applicable? This is applicable if I've owned these securities for at least 61 days, but less than a year. In this case, that is true. I've owned these for 9 months, let's say. All right, and I want to sell them. So therefore, this $4,500 that is in play. That is real risk that my clients will incur if I sell these securities today. Basically, what that says is that if I sell these securities today, I'm going to earn my dividend in the form of a capital gain because the price of SPY is appreciated by the amount of the income earned. Short-term capital gains are not good. They're considered ordinary income, right? But because I've owned this security for at least 61 days, I'm entitled to receive qualified income treatment if that dividend is paid and I receive it. Okay, so I have a choice here. I can either sell that security today or I can wait till the dividend pays. So let's look down here. We can see that the next upcoming dividend date is March 17th. Today's March 6th. We're about 10 days away. So the question is, do I wait 10 days? If I wait 10 days, I'm going to save my clients $4,500 in unnecessary tax. As a fiduciary, I'm required to take these things into consideration. So therefore, I'm going to make the decision that, hey, I'm just going to wait 10 days and I'm going to sell this on after the upcoming ex dividend date. Maybe I add it to a portfolio or a watch list so I can keep an eye on the risk and then basically sell this security after I've received the dividend that is being taxed at a lower rate. So again, anytime you want to sell a security, you need to come into distribution risk analytics and see if there's potential tax savings there if you wait for the dividend to be paid versus selling it early. Again, if you come here to the I, you're going to see an explanation of when this applies. And if you click through to learn more, you'll see a written explanation of it, as well as we have another video in the tutorial that describes exactly what this excess tax paid by sellers is. But for an investor, here's how you would use excess tax paid by sellers to determine if you can save some money. Okay, so that's it for this case study. I hope you found it helpful as a seller. Obviously, if you're going to buy securities, at some point you've got to sell them. So you want to analyze your risk on both the buy and the sell. If you like this tutorial, if this case study made sense, if it resonated with you, please do like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the bell so that you can be notified when we distribute new material that's relevant to investors and saving money and protecting yourself from market structure risk. And please do follow us on Twitter. Our handle is @FairShares Inc. Thank you so much and have a great day.